Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim Robux in Please Donate, right? So if you're into the Roblox universe or if you're playing any of the game, it doesn't matter, it's somebody else game or it's your Roblox game, and once you are into it, there will be option of Please Donate, right? So if you're just getting a donation or asking for a donation, then you have to watch this video completely till the end. I will show you how to receive those Robux, right? Once you are started getting this donation, on the top right you will find this option of Robux. So just click over there, and of course this is my alt account. This is not my new account. Yeah, so once I'm here in my transaction, here you will find the option of incoming Robux, right? So, and it will be in the transparent form. It means that you have to wait for at least 3 to 5 days to receive that Robux, that donation Robux, right? And if it is a completely fine, if there is you have got a donation in an ethical way, in a proper way, then of course in under 3 days or 5 days you will able to see it in the total, right? And if there is some kind of issue, if that is the Robux donation is not a proper way, not given to you in a proper way, then of course it will be cancelled, right? Sometimes you have to wait for around 30 days, so make sure you just get your donation in a proper way. And once you get it, you will find your option under amount, right? The total. So this is how you can just get your Robux in Please Run It option. I hope you found this video very useful. If it did, subscribe.